Alright guys, so quick tutorial video on how to play the Kahoot and prepare for the exam on one device. First thing, you have this email. Notice the chapter and the correlated content is abbreviated basically in parentheses right here. And all you have to do is click on the link if you want to access this particular Kahoot covering this content. So let's start out. First thing you need to do, click on the link. Okay, so this is the device that you control it. All right. After you click on the link, what you need to do is open up a new tab and make sure you go to Kahoot.it. Notice it's Kahoot.it and not Create Kahoot, right? Because you need to control it on one device, on one screen, and then you want to play it on the other screen. All right. So here now you can access the game pen. Okay. Once you have your other screen, what I like to do is just separate them, pull it down. Go ahead and minimize it like that. Come back over here, find your other one, minimize that one, and then kind of organize them in a way to where so you can control and play it one at the same time, okay? So now I'll be able to enter the game pin here and then control it over here to help prepare myself. Alright, now once I enter my name, the name should pop up here, and just like I'm ready to start, you should be ready to start. And again, you can click on any link, you can click on multiple links, and then just make sure that you go through these practice and prepare yourself for the exam. Okay, guys? Alright, let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, bye-bye.